kumakarapa amathaconsele entshebeni yilephu Commanders morning. Happy Green Friday Commanders. Namhlanje siyaqandula isiqandulo lesi. Before 2029 sizoba nesplit. MKP khona iparty ezophuma ku MKP before 2029. Commanders morning. Isexwayiso leso into efanele sihlezi si ready for yona. Ivideo yethu namhlanje siyithulelwa yi Kiwano Belly Blast Tea. Itiye lokunciphisa imkhaba. Sithi Commanders morning. Siyabonga. Umholi futhi esimthanda kakhulu uMK ozophuma nje impela aqhamuke neqembu lakhe. Kumele sikwazi lokho. Kumele sihlezi si ready for lokho. Yeah. Kuthiwa history iyona impela uthisha wangampela. Kuthiwa isizwe esingalazi imuva isizwe esizoshabalala ngeke silazi kusasa. Commanders morning. Umlando uthi ngo-1997 kwaba khona isplit i-UDM yaphuma kwi-ANC 1997 ngenxa yezathu ezithizeke esingesizazi ezika General Bantu Holomisa nani but ke okwathusa ke ukuhlangana kwakhe noRulf Meyer from National Party benze i-UDM. Lokho okwazivula amehlo afana ukusitshengisile ukuthi what was the reason eyenza ukuthi uHolomisa asungule iparty. Okay, asidlule lapho. 2003 kwabonakala ukuthi hayi ANC ayisiyona threat. Umbheki vele umuntu wethu so asihlasele bani PAC. Yi-system indlela esebenza ngayo kumele sikunderstand. Asihlasele PAC kwaphuma uPatricia de Lille ku PAC. Kodwa asiqedi PAC nje state iphela indaba yayo. Kaphuma uPatricia de Lille PAC wafoma i-Independent Democrats. ID mawusiyakhumbula. Hayi abaningi hamba kanoma yagcina ke sigwinywe yi-DA. Ungitsheleke lapho ke what was the meaning? Sonke siyazi ukuthi PAC what was yayimeleni PAC. Yini yenza ukuthi PAC igcine sihlangana ilokhuza njalo i-ID igcine sihlangana ne-DA abelungu. Isitshengisana. Asibuyele back to UDM ukuthi uHolomisa wahlangana kanjani noRulf Meyer National Party okuyilona qembu lasungula i-apartheid. Now ke manje 2003 sesiba nolokhuza noPatricia de Lille ephuma ku-PAC ngoba ngo-2004 besoba nama-elections. Later usehlangana ne-DA. Isitshengisana lona. Who was funding uPatricia de Lille ukuthi aphume ku-PAC? Who was funding uGeneral Bantu Holomisa ukuthi aphume ku-ANC? Okay, asiqhubeke. 2008 sine COPE, Congress of the People. Phuma uPatrick Musiwa Lekota baphuma nolokhuza noMbazima eShilowa. Baphuma ku-ANC bayakhani iCOPE. Bafuna ukuyihlephula for ama-elections alandelayo ukuthi i-ANC ngayitholi 2/3 majority ngoba kuzongena abani uZuma bezoshintsha constitution ngo-2/3 majority. So now asakhe split lesi kuze masibarobha sibanikeza izizathu zokuthi why ingayithola 2/3 majority because abantu abaningi bahamba ne-Congress of the People. Yahamba i-Congress of the People yaphuma ku-ANC kungaziwa ukuthi ubani uzoba president. Amadoda amabili ebanga uLikota noShilowa ngazi noma kwagcina kungene uBishop Dandala noma bani uthi Bishop bani ningixolele manje ukuthi ngibiza umuntu wrong. Wabamba isikhashana wakhona inkinga ezazikhona. I don't know kwenzakalani kuShilowa agcine sekuLikota uShilowa waphelela laphi but we see ukuthi ileyanto eyakhiwe kungazanga kugcinwe egcineni ukuthi ubani uzoyiphatha. That is why kwaba khona la clash between uLikota noShilowa. Ngoba phela amaningi amahemem kwakuthiwa umbheki uyena uzoba president but kagcina kungenzekanga. Okay, asiqhubekeni ke sidlule lapho. 2013 saba neqembu elisha EFF just before my elections aka 2014 la besilindele khona futhi sifuna u2/3 majority from ANC ukuthi uZuma ashintshe constitution. Ayishintshelanga because basekhona iqembu elisha sebefonyiwa kusho yini EFF. Yebo, EFF 2013 izohlephula ANC youth iyahamba kuze kube nesizathu esiqinile sokuthi why i-ANC ingayithola two-thirds majority, because khona i-EFF. Who is funding all these people ukuthi bakhe lamaqembu? Commanders, asivukeni. Recently khona abantu abathi uMalema kumele ahlangane noZuma, angazi noma fanele bakhe iqembu elisha noma fanele uMalema angene ku-MK. Vergeet, khohlwana ngoba kuyimanje nje bangikhuluma le ndaba nje. Maybe 2028 or 2027 we'll be having a new party. History iyasitshela why sizoba neparty entsha, because kumele kubukeke kanjalo ukuthi nali iqembu eliqhephule i-MK ukuthi ngayitholi two-thirds majority ngo-2029. Commanders morning, ngicela ukuthi sandawonye hayi ngathi le ndaba ngiyasuyinda commanders, kodwa we must be prepared for 2029, must be prepared for 2029, because sizoba ne-split just before my elections, okuyiyona nto ezwenza ukuthi kuthiwa hayi i-MK ingakho ingayithola two-thirds majority ngoba kuphume usibanibani wahamba nenqwaba yabantu, MK yangayithola two-thirds majority. So ke nina-ke nithi uMalema ngala noma leyo ngiyenze kube enye ivideo, hayi ngizoyenza kube enye ivideo le, angiyeke le ngoba inetopic yayo likaMalema eyedwa. Commanders morning, asivukeni emaqandeni, asivukeni emaqandeni, because i-system, that is how the system is working. The system esithi silwa nawo si-MK asiloni-ke ne-system, but-ke angazi noma ama-elections azosiza ekuthenini sibuyise lento esifuna ukuyibuyisa. Ngeke ngisho ukuthi yini edingakalayo, niyazidina edingakalayo ukuthi sibuyise lento esifuna ukuyibuyisa ngoba ama-elections ngeke sibuyisele. Commanders morning, asibeni loyal kumkhonto wesizwe, sithandeni umkhonto, sikhohlwe okuningi behind umsholozi. Thank you commanders, siyabonga.